My son loves his electric tractor trailer toy. There are so many great features about this toy, but the best one is watching that smile on his face every time he drives it around. The assembly was super simple, the instructions were very clear and to the point, and it really didn't take too long to put all the pieces together to make it ready for him to use. The tractor is super easy to start with the touch of a button and has some really amazing features like LED lights in the front, a gear switch, and Bluetooth capability with sound control, so that he can even listen to music while he's riding around. The truck moves by combining the foot pedal and the steering wheel just like a real car, but one of the very best things about this car is the parent remote control that allows you to operate the car independently of whatever the child is doing. Such a great safety feature. And speaking of safety, which is always a concern I have as a mom, the seat also has an attached seatbelt to ensure that your child is always safe while riding. The trailer carriage provides a fun space where my son can put anything he wants to transport without crowding himself up in the front. This tractor trailer works great both inside and outside. We've tested it on just about everywhere it'll fit in our house and on so many different surfaces outside. I would highly recommend it if you have a toddler-aged child who you want to see light up every time they use it.